it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just a second. People are still entering. Why are they entering again and again? Just a second. All right. So here, as we can see, the difference between products and services. Products are obviously tangible and intangible. Products are storable. Services are perishable. Product में you can control the quality by data. ये कौन से data की बात हो रही है? Where we can just control the quality? How can we control the quality by data? Okay, we have students. अरिहंत, हाँ बेटा बताओ. Arihan beta, you've raised your hand. You want to add? Okay.
नो
Manan.
मैम, वो गलती से हो गया था।
अच्छा ऋषभ है, ऋषभ बताए. ऋषभ.
Ma'am, control the quality with data means that we can control the quality of a product by the materials used for generating it.
Okay.
And in services experience, the more the experience, the better the services will be.
Okay, so data here we can't we say कि when we are producing, you know, we have a number of defected items in TQM and quality, in control manufacturing. You have this number of defective pieces per 1,000 pieces. ये होता है ना? एक concept. So this is one data aspect which actually is used to control the quality, how you are actually manufacturing, what defects you have per 1,000 pieces. So you can do it in a product, but in services you actually cannot do it. You have to visit your service touch points on regular basis. You have to see how people are doing that, delivering that service, from customer feedback, from your own experience. This is how the quality of service has to be maintained. All right. In product we can measure the output very easily, and in services we measure the outcome. इसमें क्या difference है? Output numbers में है, outcome whether the customer is happy or not, he's spreading the good word of mouth of your service or not. So this is a difference in measuring the output and the outcome. Product is repeatable. Obviously it's a tangible product. You have standard manufacturing processes, so you can make an identical product again, but it is very difficult to have an identical service. अच्छा एक बात बताओ. When you go to a restaurant, maybe like a standard restaurant, a KFC or a McDonald's, does at every branch, every person who is taking that order behaves in an exactly same manner, identical?
No, ma'am.
कभी भी ऐसा नहीं
नो
हो
मैम।
सकता ना. ऐसा क्यों है? why identical क्यों नहीं हो सकते? They have been given so much of training. They are the good brands. Why still are they not very identical? They can be similar, but they are not identical. The script is identical. Obviously वो एक script होती है. Do you want some french fries with that or coke with that? A standard script is given to everybody, what is to be said to the customer. But again there is certain things which are changed. Okay, मनन मानव बताओ. मनन बहुत आंसर कर चुका है. मानव बताएगा.
Ma'am, maybe because every person is different and a particular salesman presents his script, we can say in a different
In
way
a
to
better manner. So
Yeah.
when we say people or a human beings are involved, so a kind of variability will always be there. You cannot expect me to be exactly similar in every lecture. मेरे को एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोटोकॉल दिया गया है, हाँ ऐसे पढ़ाना है, विप्स में पीपीटीज यूज करनी है, मायरो यूज करना है, बट एवरी टाइम आई विल नॉट बी आइडेंटिकल बिकॉज आई एम ह्यूमन बीइंग. आई मे चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन, right? So these are the differences which we need to know, and rest students have given very good assignments. Thank you so much. Next, let us move on to the 3 additional P's that we have in services. अच्छा, ये 3 additional P's आपको पता है? Let us first discuss, फिर मैं examples से समझाती हूँ. We had product, price, place, promotion. तो पहले product, price, place, promotion की अगर हम बात करते हैं, let us first start with product. Okay, just give me in one line. Take an example and give me what is a product in that service. So here we will have that service actually, but we are writing product because हम वही consume कर रहे हैं. Anybody can just unmute and give me the example. कोई भी एक service का example लेते हैं. बताओ.
Ma'am, haircut.
Okay, let's take hair salon services. ठीक है? Salon service, अच्छा ये हो गया एक service that you take on a regular basis. Pricing में what all can you include? Maybe the price of the haircut and any maybe
Additional shampooing of the hairs,
हाँ,
and we can say that.
discounts or add-ons. ठीक है? ये हो सकता है. Okay, like product price. Place would be normally अब this cannot be done on a virtual basis, no? So the place would be maybe on a physical outlets. यही इसका ऑप्शन है और एक और हो सकता है ना फिजिकल आउटलेट्स के अलावा क्या हो सकता है?
Home.
हाँ, in home service. Yes, like you have in urban cap. Then place promotion में what all the companies can use. Let's talk about Lux Salon or maybe a very hi-fi hair masters. So what promotional activities are they take place? They take place. They
They
consider
use discounts like 50% off on Wednesdays and Thursdays, kind
on
of thing.
coupons. Yes. What else? से मनन answer कर रहा है. Anybody else?
I'm Manav, not
Manav. Okay, sorry. Manav answer कर रहा है. Okay, let's talk to somebody else. Let's talk to Abhisar. Abhisar, beta, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा. You just give me just one thing for promotional purposes that these companies use.
Ma'am, these companies may use a lot of promotions through ambassadors,
Advertising कह दें.
advertisement.
ठीक है. Sales
Yeah.
promotion हो सकता है which is already mentioned as discount coupons. You may have the first time discounts also as a customer. Advertising हो गया और you may sponsor
Ma'am,
events which are related to हाँ बेटा बोलो.
samples, sample
Samples
testing.
samples of their products also. They also sell their own products. Some chains have their own manufacturing also. तो आप sample cutting भी दे सकते हो. जैसे we had this which is this chain which had opened a lot of kiosks at every mall. Red color का होता था. There's a guy, I forgot his name. Red color का kiosk होता था हर mall.
जावेद हबीब.
या हबीब. So वो 100 रुपए में कटिंग कर रहा है, 50 रुपीज में कटिंग कर रहा है. बट देन अगेन what happened to the brand? ही करके हुआ क्या? Is it a
मैम
very या बोलो.
मैम बीच में तो काफी सेल ऊपर हुई थी इनकी.
हाँ, फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ? On the long term basis में what happened?
नीचे चली गई सेल्स.
They diluted their brand actually.
यस
Javed
मैम.
Habib was initially launched as a brand कि हाँ भाई he is a very good name in the salon industry, so people will be attracted, and once we give them these sample haircuts, people will come to our outlets and they will get it done at 500 or 800. But actually what happened, the positioning or the branding steeply went down. The image that people had है तो हर जगह होते हैं 100 रुपए में. So we actually are not ready to pay now or a 500 or a 700 for the haircut. So this may backfire. So sales promotion techniques have to be used very smartly so that they are not hampering your brand. अब ये hair masters नहीं करता है ना ये चीज़, और maybe कोई और brand नहीं करता है. They don't have kiosks everywhere and they are giving free haircuts. Now let us talk about the processes now. What do you mean by processes? क्या process का क्या मतलब है? क्या होता है process? Let's take a service only and understand what is a process.
And the steps in which the service is acquired.
Yes.
Maybe.
The steps in which the service is given to the customers on a repeatedly basis. So let's talk to Akshit. Akshit beta is a salon का example हम कर रहे हैं. So what are the processes that are involved? Let's make a new slide here. Yes, tell me the process involved in salon.
Initially there would be a shampoo or something that sort.
Okay, let me just write it properly. Okay, we have shampoo. Okay, next.
And then after that haircut.
You have that haircut. और before that haircut, immediately shampoo के बाद क्या होता है? एक स्टेप बताना है आपने मुझे.
Shampoo के बाद
They
फिर
dry your
wash
hair.
होगा.
They dry your hair, right? They give you the accessories, that is the thing that you keep around your neck. I don't know the name. I forgot the name. They give that to keep you around your neck so that the hair do not fall on your clothes, right? Then they give a haircut. During the haircut, anything that you actually face in these good outlets during the haircut.
Ma'am, like they offer some tea, coffee
Yes.
sometimes.
They do some good hospitality. This is expected from good salons nowadays. If you're sitting there for maybe half an hour or 45 minutes, they will obviously offer you a cup of coffee or a tea. That is the least expected thing nowadays. अच्छा, haircut के बाद क्या होता है? Let's talk to a girl, no? Okay, let's talk to
I'm styling.
Okay, your styling. They will ask you how do
Blow
you want
dryer or
your
something.
style. पूछेंगे वो आपसे कि what kind of a style do you want, ma'am? What do you like? They would spend, especially on girls, they would spend some time. Okay, आप ये करा लो. You do this on your hair. You apply this on your hair. It will they will give you some advice. They will do some advising. ये होता है नहीं होता है? हर जगह होता है. Your hair are
Yes.
damaged. आपके बाल बिल्कुल बर्बाद हैं, खराब हैं. Do this, do that. So they are giving you a lot of advice. Styling करा, haircut करा, and finally you go for the payment. Payment important. What kind of payment process would may involve? कैसे कैसे हो सकती है payment?
Cash, maybe
Cash,
cash
card,
and card.
पेटीएम.
Paytm, or what any mobile wallets that you have, right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
just understand
Yes, ma'am.
each and
UPI
every.
payment.
Yes. So let us understand each and every step. If your processes are complex and if they involve a lot of steps, would the customer be happy in staying in your salon for another 1.5 hours when it takes only 40 minutes? He is doing that shampoo and he is doing that shampoo for 10 minutes. वो dry करने में 1 घंटा लगा रहा है. His dryer is not working. The person is not trained to handle the dryer. Sometimes क्या होता है blow dry में what happens, girls? How many people are involved in a blow dry?
Ma'am, two.
Why do you need 2 people in
Maximum
a blow
2.
dry? क्यों चाहिए
Ma'am,
2 लोग?
It
dryer
ma'am,
and
fast
one
process
हाँ, it's a
to make
fast
it
process.
fast.
Yes, so अगर एक ही जना खड़ा है, he is doing the drying and he is only handling the brush and everything. So what will happen? It will again another spend 15 minutes of yours and you will be irritated as a customer. So again, this is increasing the time frame that you are spending there. Let's move to the next step. Styling. Styling भी ऐसा तो नहीं है ना 15 मिनट एडवाइज ही करता रहेगा. He'll just spend 2 to 3 minutes on you. He will tell you what is to be done. Though the customer will be irritated if he Yes. Am I now audible? Am I
Yes,
now
ma'am.
audible?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
connection,
Yes, ma'am.
that connection went. All right. So spending so much of time on each and every step will not make sense. अच्छा last बहुत important payment option है. Now just imagine yourself, you're going for the payment. They say we do not accept cash, right? How many of you prefer payments by cash on maybe these petty things? ये 200 या 500 रुपए का haircut है, maybe 1,000 rupees somewhere. How many of you prefer? So अगर आपको कोई force करे कि नहीं सर हम cash नहीं लेते हम card ही लेंगे. So would you be coming back to the salon? How many of you will come back?
Maybe not.
वो हमेशा cash payment ले. You will not.
Yes.
Because as a customer, you want them to put their processes in place. How can you force a customer to pay in a certain mode? In the current situation, आप किसी को force नहीं कर सकते. There's so much of competition. People will pay whatever the way they want to. अच्छा, कितने हैं जो सिर्फ कार्ड पेमेंट ही करते हैं और सिर्फ पेटीएम से ही करते हैं? And they will say no no हम तो कार्ड पेमेंट नहीं ले रहे, हमारी मशीन नहीं चल रही, our पेटीएम number is not working, so please pay by cash. I am one of those customers who do not prefer to pay by cash. I always carry my card with me or maybe a Paytm payment. Okay, we have Akash. Okay, he is just one customer who will say नहीं मेरे को तो कार्ड से देना है. How can you force me? One more thing. आप कार्ड पेमेंट के लिए खड़े हो and the machine is not working and you're waiting there for 15 minutes की पेमेंट पूरी हो जाए. Imagine this scenario and see how much irritation or how much frustration the customer would face, and this is your entire process of delivering your service till the payment is received and you हाँ जी बोलो. Somebody wants to say something? Okay. So since we can say that each step is important and the main purpose of setting a good process is to set up the least number of steps in an efficient manner कि जितना कम time लगे और customer खुश होके जाए. So processes are a very very important part of your service delivery क्योंकि process से ही service deliver हो रही है. अच्छा एक और example लेते हैं. I'll pick somebody and Hriday Arora. Hriday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
बेटा
ma'am.
आप कैन यू टेक एनी सर्विस? अच्छा चलो कोई भी सर्विस ले लो जो आपको रेगुलर लगती है कि आप यूज करते हो.
Ma'am,
अपार्ट.
cab driver can be, taxi driving can be a service as
Okay.
well.
All right. You're, riding your Uber and Olas in one service. So
Yes, ma'am.
what are the processes involved in that small transaction? A very small thing on your daily requirement.
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे process बताओ.
Firstly, we book a cab for where we have to go. We have to set a
Okay.
destination.
So you, एक मिनट हम बात करते हैं processes में. The very first will be bookings. So that will involve your software of the company or the application.
Yes, ma'am.
This is one aspect which is helpful in your service delivery. So this is the very first part of your process. तो अगर यही ठीक से नहीं चल रहा होगा, आपकी ऐप बार बार वो हो जाती है, हैंग हो जाती है, and people are not able to actually book it on a regular basis, तो you are failing at the very first step, right? आपका टिकट जनरेट नहीं होता है एंड में. अच्छा नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है? बुक करते हो, then the what happens?
Ma'am, then it confirms from the cab driver that whether he wants to
Yes.
take you to the destination or not.
The driver will, he may call you or they may tell you the driver's number. तो you expect the driver should call you. एक बार वो पूछेगा आप कहाँ पे हैं सर. सब बीच में there was this service ओला में कि the driver never used to call in Uber and they will just give you the number and you have to call. ये मुझे थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लगा था. ड्राइवर शुड एटलीस्ट कॉल मी वंस. मेरे पास अगर अभी टाइम नहीं है कॉल करने का. So this is one step of the process. He calls you, he comes to you, he waits for you. Okay, you sit in the cab and you take that journey. Okay. When you, अच्छा during that process, during the journey, what can be a one of the processes? कोई process हो सकता है बीच में जो चल रहा है साथ साथ?
Ma'am, maybe he would provide free Wi-Fi.
Okay, you can say आपको वाईफाई मिल रहा है कि नहीं है. This will be a part of physical evidence. वैसे हम उसमें जाएंगे. आप एक प्रोसेस बताओ जो आप टच नहीं कर सकते. You're just feeling that process or maybe आप कह सकते
Ma'am,
हो आपका
sometimes the driver shares some experience or something.
Okay.
We
The
sometimes
driver is very cordial to you. He is talking to you. ये भी people में आएगा. चलो यहाँ लिख लेते हैं आप. GPS है आपका वहाँ पे, वो आपको ट्रैकिंग बता रहा है साथ के साथ. Where are you going? कितना ट्रैफिक है, right? ड्राइवर people में आएगा. हाँ जी बोलो.
आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है.
अभी भी बेटा? Everybody is facing the same problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Network
I'm
problem at
also
your end.
facing the same problem. I'm hearing some distorted.
Okay. So this is the final may when you will be getting down from that cab, he will give you maybe a receipt will come on your mobile phone and you will give him the payment and everything. Again here payment processes आ जाएंगे. आप cash देना चाहते हैं, आप prepaid कर रहे हैं इसको, or you want to pay from maybe a mobile wallet. So these are a part of your process and every step is a part of service delivery. अगर एक भी step ठीक से नहीं हुआ, the overall service experience goes bad. एंड में आप कहोगे कैसी ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ये प्रीपेड ऑप्शन ही नहीं है या कैश ही नहीं ले रहा, वो कैश लेने से मना कर रहा है. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम यू मे नॉट बुक अ कैब फ्रॉम द सिमिलर वेंडर. सो इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर दैट व्हाट आर प्रोसेसेस? एनीबडी हु हैज अ डाउट हियर कि प्रोसेसेस का क्या मतलब है? ओके, so can I ask anybody randomly? Lalit, beta Lalit, are you clear as to what are processes? Lalit Kumar. All right, he's sleeping. Mayur Goel. Mayur Goel. ये बेटा जिनके नाम में ले. Okay, Mayur. Are you clear on this aspect? What do you mean by processes? एक लाइन में बता सकते हो what are processes?
Ma'am, processes. I'm a series, मतलब
हाँ.
steps in order to achieve a particular goal or end.
इसमें गोल नहीं है, इसमें जस्ट सर्विस ले रहे हो आप. ओके, you're just taking a service, so steps. Thank you so much. So now let us move forward. After processes, physical evidence. Okay, let's not give you the definition. Wait, let me just slide show this. Physical evidence. अब slide show दिख रहा है ना? ठीक है. Now physical evidence here talks about the basic infrastructure. अच्छा, हमने यही जो एग्जाम्पल्स किए, इसमें इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा? सलोम में आई हैव रिटन हियर एन एग्जाम्पल. आप मुझे कैब में बताओ, व्हाट वाज द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर? कैब का एग्जाम्पल किसने एक्सप्लेन किया था? आई फॉरगॉट द नेम ऑफ द बॉय.
मैम हृदय.
हृदय, हाँ बेटा. So what is the physical infrastructure? Now you would be talking about Wi-Fi. Yes. Next. और बताओ और क्या फिजिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है which helps in good service delivery? क्योंकि हवा में तो सर्विस नहीं दोगे ना.
Also TV inside the cab.
Yes, maybe a screen inside the cab which is giving you a free access to a lot of content, or there may be good working air conditioner. That is very important in humid weathers or in places where the weather is not good. There may be the aroma or the fragrance in the car. That is one very important aspect. The cleanliness of the car, the seat covers, the dress of the person sitting in the front. All this will depict professionalism and branding. आपको याद है these airports पे ये local vans चलती हैं wherein we have black and yellow color वाली. How many have boarded that? वही बहुत normal है. prepaid taxis होती हैं. मनन, you boarded that. So is there okay, मयूर से बात करते हैं. मयूर भी was raising his hand. So what is the difference between an Ola and this prepaid taxis in at airports? Difference, सबसे बड़ा difference क्या होता है? जिस पे आप राइड कर रहे हो. ओके केशव आप बताइए. आई थिंक ही इज नॉट ऑडिबल.
मैम उनमें मेन डिफरेंस होता है सर्विसेज का कि ओला उबर में काफी अच्छी सर्विसेज होती हैं प्लस उनकी कार क्लीन रहती है.
हाँ ओके द कार की ही बात करते हैं. देयर गाड़ी इज व्हाट? ओमनी. और वो व्हाट डू दे टेक? ओमनी देखी है मैंने तो ज्यादातर. व्हाट एल्स व्हाट एल्स डू यू हैव इन दैट?
मैम
एम्बेसडर्स होते हैं आप?
Eco.
Yes. And you sit in an Ola and an Uber, it's a Desire or a Toyota brand. So they WagonR भी होता है, but that is not for premium customers. वो basic model में होता है. But you have good cars also. Premium में आपके पास अच्छी गाड़ियाँ होती हैं. So this is the basic difference as to the car which they opt for. The initial the inside the cars are not clean for these people. Prepaid taxis में. So all these are a part of physical evidence. तो अगर आप यहाँ देखें कि बैंक्स हैं जैसे बैंक एक अच्छे ब्रांच में आप जाते हो when it's a private bank the AC is working properly, the seating is good, the lighting is good, अच्छी लाइट्स लगी, LED लाइट्स लगी, वो ट्यूब लाइट्स नहीं लगी हैं पिछले जमाने की. and there are no coolers as such, ACs लगे हैं, centrally ACs हैं. You will get proper physical receipts, you will get proper printed forms, they have a place for forms, everything is very well in place. And when you go to a government bank, how does it look like? Something similar to this? ऐसा ही होता है ना. कौन गया गवर्नमेंट बैंक में? आकाश बताओ बेटा. आकाश प्रसाद, you want to say something?
Yeah मैम.
हाँ जी.
Yes मैम. मैम एक्चुअली ये सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने में बहुत लेट करते हैं गवर्नमेंट बैंक.
लेट द टाइम या द प्रोसेसेस आर वेरी बैड. तो सर्वर हमेशा हैंग्ड होता है, कभी सिस्टम नहीं चलेगा. When you'll stand there, the server is working. So the processes are very very slow. They take a lot of time to deliver that service. One, the infrastructure, the physical evidence जो आप देख रहे हो अभी स्लाइड पे, it's a foreign bank in the left side. It's not an Indian image. It's from the foreign market. And this is maybe an SBI or some brand or some Indian PNB, wherein people are standing in queues. They have old systems. वो पुराने वाला डेस्कटॉप लगा हुआ है, रिसीट लेने में टाइम लग रहा है, मशीन नहीं चल रही है, एसी खराब है, कूलर भी नहीं चल रहा. Everything that you will find there will not be as per your expectation. If you are a elite customer or you are the customer of today, now most of us now, I think आपकी generation के बच्चे और maybe even for my generation, we do not prefer these public sector banks. कितने बच्चे अपना अकाउंट पब्लिक सेक्टर में खुलवा चुके हैं? Out of this 40. Okay, we have आकाश. एक आकाश है. और कोई है जिसने मतलब पापा के प्रेशर से, मम्मी के प्रेशर से खुलवा लिया हो? इसी में खुलवा लो, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग देयर वेरी फाइन, इसी में चलते हैं. आप अपनी प्रेफरेंस बताओ. तुषार, आकाश, आप अपना प्रेफरेंस, आप यू प्रेफर दीज? ट्रस्ट फैक्टर हो सकता है ऑब्वियसली. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि दीज अभी राइट नाउ द सिचुएशन इज वेरी बैड. द प्राइवेट बैंक्स आर नॉट एबल टू सस्टेन इवन आफ्टर द येस बैंक फियास्को. व्हाट हैज हैपेंड? ट्रस्ट फैक्टर एक है जिसकी वजह से पीपल आर स्लोली थोड़ा वो सोच रहे हैं कि प्राइवेट में जाएं ना जाएं. बट इफ यू ओनली टॉक अबाउट फिजिकल एविडेंस, अगर आप सिर्फ अपना इंफ्रा की बात करें, सो ऑब्वियसली अ प्राइवेट बैंक ऑब्वियसली हैज अ अपर हैंड. So if you not talk about, let us know, okay, banks की बात नहीं करते, let us talk about restaurants. दिख रहा है इस slide में, obviously one restaurant is it's not, it's a dhaba sort of a place, one is a very elite restaurant. So again the type of customer you are targeting, आप कौन सा customer अपने यहाँ बुलाना चाहते हो, you want an elite customer or you want a normal below average or a normal lower middle class customer to enter. So that will again decide your physical evidence. आप वैसे ही अपना infra बनाओगे. Right? Am I clear on this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in hair salons, here I've mentioned there would be magazines, there would be proper sofas, a good aroma everywhere. You can relax, you can wait for your turn. So these are the physical instances or cues which are important for a customer to actually perceive your service in a better manner. कि वो सर्विस कितनी अच्छी है, कितनी बुरी है, वो कैसे पता चलेगी? इंफ्रा से पता चल सकती है. यू कैन गेट एन आइडिया कि ये तो ढीले से हैं, इनको बहुत टाइम लगेगा. लेट अस नॉट वेस्ट आवर टाइम इन दिस पर्टिकुलर आउटलेट. So am I clear on this part? Anybody who has a doubt? What do you mean by physical evidence?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Finally, let us move on to people. This is very important. People, अच्छा, people क्यों जरूरी है? A lot of things. But I want from you, why people are important in services. Let us talk to somebody who is not answered. I want to talk to Karthik. Beta, you there?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible? Hello.
Anu, you're sleeping or you're awake? Yes. Am I audible now? I'm so sorry. There's a problem today. Okay, Karthik, you're available?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. People are important. It's an important element of a service delivery process. So how do you think people contribute? And if they are not good, what will happen?
Ma'am, I believe that like if people would be there, that service is only provided for the people, right?
Right.
And moreover, if the people wouldn't be there,
Hmm.
so like they wouldn't able to meet the
Acha.
expectations of the customer itself
Okay.
because the machines.
Okay. We have people who are delivering that service. So what is important in the people that we are actually asking? Khushi, beta, can you answer? Why people are important? They are delivering the service. One point is this, obviously, if they will not be there, they will not deliver the service. But what aspects of these people are important so that your service delivery is perfect?
Ma'am, maybe that the way they communicate.
Okay, good. Yes, the way they communicate is one aspect. Whether they are smart enough to tell you properly what are the services about, they give you the proper information.
Ma'am, the way they provide the service, if they are good at providing the service or not, if they are
Okay,
capable
okay.
of doing
Yes.
that.
One point is communication. Second point is whether they're delivering the service properly or not. Tushar, beta, what do you want to add?
Ma'am, if they are efficient in their services or not.
Okay, whether they are delivering it properly at the required and taking the required time also. Okay. Sanya?
Ma'am, like we just took the example of a hair salon. So there, the person who is cutting our hair should be professionally trained.
Yes, one is training, which is very, very, very important. आप किसी से हेयर कट करा रहे हो and he is a new guy and he doesn't know how to do a haircut और वो आपके बाल सारे खराब कर देता है. Now you're not coming back there again. Rishabh, yes.
Ma'am, we usually judge a brand or a company by the type of staff they own. So
Yes.
it's necessary to have a similar type of behavior across all the
Yes.
branches.
Very good. Very important point given by Rishabh. See, you will train one people in one branch. They are doing well. But it is very important for a brand that every person is behaving 90% in a similar manner. आप जैसे हमने KFC का एग्जाम्पल किया, obviously everybody is not identical, but they are given a standard script, they are given a standard way of behaving with the customer. If that varies from one branch to another, it will not be a brand. अच्छा वाजीवा के साथ क्या हुआ था? वाजीवा was a very good brand initially, and what happened with that brand? Anybody wants to comment on this? Okay, Ishita.
Ma'am, I raised my hand for
Okay,
giving an
initially.
example of banking.
Okay.
Ma'am, like in banking, the employees in your branch and their behavior towards the customers define you. And ma'am, same
Yes.
is the case with the restaurant, the chef or the
Yes.
service staff defines you.
So whenever you visit a restaurant, which as you have these Burkos as a chain of restaurants, and we have so many restaurants which have a chain of restaurants.
Yes, ma'am.
So every staff member has to behave in a certain manner, which is standard for every branch.